Top 5 Email Marketing Tools Easy to Use for Beginners. Hello, this is Marketer B. As DM marketing by email has become so popular, open rates are now less than 1%, so many marketers are concerned about the effectiveness of email marketing. But email marketing is still a powerful tool. In many cases, emails are sent directly using HTML code to reduce the cost of an email solution. But in this case, the marketer decides on the design and content, commissions the design team, and wastes time in this process, which eventually leads to an invisible cost increase. Are there any tools that allow marketers to design and manage their own emails very easily and inexpensively? Yes. Here are the features and benefits of the 5 most popular email marketing tools used by businesses. First, MailChimp is one of the best-known email marketing tools, with over 8 million users worldwide. It has the advantage of offering a free plan for up to 2,000 people. It's free for a while when you're just starting out, and the cost increases little by little as you gain more subscribers. With a feeling of sticking to the basics, it helps you create beautiful emails accurately without getting lost. The UI is fairly intuitive, and the guides and tutorials are of course well done. Another strength is that it can be linked with various tools such as Leadpages, Instapage, WordPress, and Facebook. It is also good that there are many users around the world, so it is continuously updated. Secondly, GetResponse comes with over 500 landing page templates, making it easy to create effective designs. The most attractive thing is that you can manage bulk email campaigns, automatic mail settings, and even landing page creation in an integrated way, and you can use it for free for 30 days. Thirdly, ActiveCampaign is considered to be the tool that paid the most attention to the UI. Email marketing might sound complicated, but it's not difficult to understand because it's schematized for easy viewing. It has the advantage of being able to easily create marketing automation sequences. It is a function designed to automatically dispatch when certain conditions are met, like a decision tree, and the design is very intuitive. You can analyze and provide data on the environment in which customers open emails, and create segmented email campaigns accordingly. Run email campaigns by segmenting them based on detailed behavior, such as customers who did not purchase the product but visited the product detail page. Customer responsiveness is scored against multiple criteria and graphed how well prospective customers respond to certain conditions. Pricing starts at $9 per month for the light version for 500 players, with a 14-day free trial version available. Lastly, ConvertKit is said to have received rave reviews from overseas blogging communities as a service targeting professional bloggers and creators. It includes tools to make it easy for creators to create their own listings and promote their own content. Whether it's showing new subscribers or looking at a graph broken down by traffic source for a particular blog post, you'll know that you put a lot of energy into data visualization. In a similar vein, the Style Automation Builder is intuitive, making it very easy to build campaigns based on segments. Beyond that, there is a section dedicated to creating content email campaigns in addition to the usual web forms or autoresponders. This can be a useful feature for bloggers and information marketers. Because there is no free trial and professional features are provided, the price is on the high side. Starts at $29 for up to 1,000 people per month. More than that, we have looked at email marketing tools. Although the tool is easy, it takes time to create better designs and use 100% of the features it has. If you study step by step, you will become an expert in no time. Creating your first campaign will take a little longer as you will need to edit and save the template, but you will be very happy with it. Once you've chosen your email tool, it's time to start automating your email. Email automation is designing emails with the right content at the right time to be automatically sent. I will upload the video next week. Please look forward to it. If today's information is useful and you are curious about the next story, please subscribe to Marketer B channel and join us. Thanks for watching.